Right, so we're at the garage, it's Saturday morning. Today is really some sort of shenanigans and stuff. We've got Callum's Jag on the ramp, we've got Ollie's van down the middle. Ollie's van, we're just going to give a proper clean up for him because we love him. Get rid of all the old sign writing from the old company. Callum's Jag needs a wheel bearing, so we're going to fit the wheel bearing on Callum's Jag. And then we're going to maybe try and sort out an exhaust for him. And then we've got 924 as well. We're going to try and sort out the exhaust on a 924 and make it sound a bit more sporty and a bit more like it's Porsche heritage. So let's go and see how everybody's getting on. Ollie hates us because we're making him work now. I mean, to be fair, we invited him down. I had to liaise with his wife to get him to come down so that we could give his van a good polish and clean up, get rid of all the rest of that Bennett, and then we're going to machine it as well. Aaron is working on the Jag. Oh no!
That was coming. That was coming.
It's definitely yours on the V5 and not works, because you're going to drive it back in and they're going to go, ooh!
Yeah! Hang on, that looks like the nicest van we've got! After how much you played with my nipples, I felt it only fair.
Is that right? Otherwise you've recorded it.
Yes, I did.
You don't really put any pressure on it.
You just use it to steady it.
Literally, you don't see no vibration. You go offside, or go angle, whatever else, you start to dance. So you just let it sit flat, and then you let it work its way across. And then you just do a cross, down, and then you that way round in the square, and then you repeat the square going up and down. Now I was working about a foot, so essentially what I would do is do that panel there.
That's it. Right, so we did Callum's wheel bearing. It would appear that we did a good job. Noise is gone, the knock's gone as well. So yeah, fingers crossed, that's him sorted for a while. Result.
Well, the Granada looks like a piece of shit sometimes if I don't clean it.
Right, so the thought is to try and cut along there and then in there so that we can cut out that centre section and give her a bit more noise. But we shall see. So we're going to repurpose an old piece of exhaust and we're going to make it work. James is a very good welder and I am quite the opposite. So we shall, in fact I've never tried welding anything in my life. So we shall see what we can do. So James has welded up this piece here. The welds are absolutely not James's finest, but given the shit welder that he's had to use, they look bloody brilliant to me. Right, so what we've done, like I say, James has welded up 2 bits of pipe and then we've literally clamped it either end just purely because we might want to go back because we're not sure how loud it's going to be after the straight pipe. That was quite loud. So yeah, we shall start her up and see what she sounds like. I'll get your reaction. Oh, that's got something wrong. That sounds so good. Right, so we've pretty much finished all the jobs for today. We've got the exhaust sorted on the 924, so hopefully that sounds good. I had a little listen, but obviously I've not heard it up the road. We've got Callum sorted. We've given Ollie's an incredible tidy up. So yeah, good day had by all, hopefully. So thanks everybody. See you soon. Yeah. Obviously, I've not done a lot of voiceover in this video, but I just want to say how good did Ollie's van look. We just wanted to show Ollie and his van a bit of love, get rid of all of his old company logo and stuff on there. But yeah, so do me a favour, guys, if you enjoyed the video, you know, hit the like, share, subscribe. Also, how good does the Porsche sound now? So thanks again for watching. I will see you soon.